Good afternoon, children. Today we will start our new work. We are starting our new work in a plain drawing book. Okay, for that we need a plain drawing book, scale, pencil, black gel pen and an eraser. First what you have to do, you have to open a new page, draw a border. With the border you have to draw 3 centimeter box, children. 09, 09, 20, 20 and write down the topic, pattern. In a bracket write down Madhubani work. Okay, children. First I will do the drawing in a light line with the help of the pencil. When I will start to do that one with the black color, that time you have to see, observe that and you have to start to do the drawing, children. Here I did a very light line with the pencil. When I will start to do with the black color, that time you have to do. Before that I will do the border with the black color sketch pen. When you finish the pencil line, only that time you have to start to do with the black color, children. Okay. Observe the drawing neatly. One side I will show. Same like that you should draw another one side also. Once you finish only this half drawing, that time you have to take a eraser and start to rub these lines. No one is erasing these boxes. Okay, children? See, children, when we rub, our work will looks like this. First I will show what we should do here. Same like that we will do the next leaves. Okay, children? See children, now you observe this one. Now same patterns you have to do for full leaves. Now here only half little line will be there. Now that one you have to continue like this in each leaf. Okay, and this leaf here you should give a one extra line like this. Then you should start to do the work. Okay children, now start to continue the work. See children, when you will complete, it will looks like this here. Okay, after when you will complete this one, we will move to here. This one, what you have to do, this also make it as like this half. Okay, and one portion you have to do like this. Okay, in the next one draw a circle. Inside that you have to do like this. Okay children, see here, small circle you should left here, but here in the center you have to fill the color. Okay children, alternate like this. Alternate you have to do here. Once again this one will come, this portion. Okay children, like this you have to see and do the work. Once when you will finish this, see children, here you should do the overlap line. You know how to do this already, we learned in the last year. Children, after this take a scale and see children from which box I will start the work. Just observe that. Like this, draw the boxes. After that the center one you have to finish with this pattern. Okay, then this one like this. Okay, this also same like this. Here don't do anything, just this 4 box like this you have to do. This middle one like this, curves, waves, lines you have to do children. Children, when we finish our work will looks like this. Now here we have a pencil line, that one we should rub with the eraser. Okay, see children, when we rub all the pencil lines our work will looks like this. Okay, you have to observe once again the video and you have to do however I did the work in your plain drawing book. Once when you will complete the work you have to WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you children.